Hey guys, I'm Sanglap and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you 3 Python projects which you can make under 5 minutes. The links of all the programs are in the description. Check out the link and make sure you have subscribed to my channel and like the video. You can also follow me on Instagram at the rate of Super Sanglap for updates about me and my channel. And also check out my other channel Know Yourself for powerful motivations. So let's get started without wasting any time. So let's start by checking the file organizer. So here you can see it is made in 24 lines of codes and it can organize any valid directory under a minute. So let me show you the demo. Okay, here you can see it's saying to enter a directory. So I'm going to my downloads organizable, and here you can see these are the files which I want to organize. So I'm going to just copy the directory and paste it here. Okay, here you can see organized files in the folder. Okay, so let's go, and here you can see,
Oh my god! Wow!
this is PDF one, this is the TXT one. Here you can see 2 files, and this is the zip one. So this was the file organizer. The link is in the description. So here we can see this is the translator app and it is made under 26 lines. So let's go and check it out, and it can change English to any language. Okay, so let me run this. Okay, here it's saying to enter something, so I'm going to enter hello, and the destination language means in which language we want to translate English. French.
Bonjour.
Okay, in French hello is bonjour. And let's try something else.
Another one.
Beautiful. So we want to change it in Spanish.
Hermoso.
Nice.
It will only print the translation if it can't speak it. Like here you can see dog. Let's change this word to Hindi, and it's unable to speak this, so it just printed it. Here you can see dog in Hindi. So let's check any sentences like you are a good man, Hindi. So here you can see, and without that we can, let's change it into Spanish.
Eres un buen hombre.
So this is something else, and this can change up to any language, I think. So let's move on. So guys, here comes my answer pin, and let's go and check it out. So let me run this, and here you can see it's saying me to enter something. So like I'm going to enter who is Bill Gates.
William Henry Gates III, born October 28, 1955, is an American business magnate, software developer, investor, and philanthropist. He is best known as the co-founder of Microsoft Corporation.
So it said me about Bill Gates.
Wow.
Let's try something.
Another one.
No. Who is the richest person in the world?
Jeff Bezos. As of January 2020,
Okay, it's Jeff Bezos, the highest in the world. I think it will be Burj Khalifa.
Burj Khalifa. 828 meters.
Okay, and highest mountain in the world.
Mount Everest. 8,848 meters.
Okay, it said as Mount Everest, and that's the right answer. And let's check any logical query like 25 multiplied by 25,
625.
square root of 9,
3.
cube root of 27.
3.
So this will try as much as it's possible. Like if you enter something related to geometry, I think it won't be able to show it in the terminal. So that's the problem of the terminal, not the program. and it can do many things else. You can try like it can forecast weather like weather forecast.
Between 28 degrees Celsius and 31 degrees Celsius. Clear, all night, rain, night to late night.
Okay, so this said the weather forecast in my area. So that's all. I hope guys you have liked the video. Hit the like button, share it with your programmer friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more technical content like this, and follow me on Instagram for updates about me and my channel. And you can also check out my motivational channel at the rate of Know Yourself. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.